Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds. And today we're making Mansaf. Let's get it.
Alright, so first things first, we're going to take about 3 pounds of lamb. I got it frozen from this local, I guess like Mediterranean-esque store. So I let it de-thaw and then started bleeding all over the place, but it's whatever. So I'll take all that. Ooh. So traditionally for this dish, it needs to be made with lamb. I think they say you can use beef, but you know, I try to be as traditional as possible, so hence why I'm using lamb. I'm using bone-in lamb and boneless lamb as well, just because. So there's the bone-in lamb, and then oh, that just broke. All right. So I picked this dish today because I have a friend who is from Jordan, and he's coming over, and we're gonna be chilling and stuff. He doesn't know I'm making this, so I'm trying to surprise him, see how well I make it. I'm also curious because, you know, if you can't go to Jordan, might as well bring Jordan to me. Let's toast that away. We're gonna wash the lamb with some lemon juice and water. Not really wash, we're just rinsing it off, making sure any impurities and stuff are out of it. After washing the lamb, we're gonna add 6 cups of yogurt drink. Again, this is also found in the Mediterranean store, I believe. So, yeah, I don't know how hard it is to come by, but yeah. Alright, so after adding the yogurt drink, we're going to be adding some Jameed next. So this is Jameed soup starter. So I don't know if you can tell, but these little ball things here are the Jameed. It's a way they use to preserve, I believe it was milk. So that's like their dairy products. And then if these are like hard as rock, and supposedly you know, to rehydrate them, you just put them in water and, you know, blend them up. So this has already kind of been done for us, so, you know, take it that way. I'm gonna add the whole packet of the Jameed. But also, because of the way it is, this is like super salty. So like, you're not gonna see too many spices in this video. This kind of reminds me of when I cooked with preserved lemons for the tagine, which was also a Moroccan dish, which also, funny enough, uses a preserved ingredient. So yeah, was this safe to try? Alright, next you're gonna wanna cut your heater on medium high, and this is the most labor intensive part of the process. You're gonna sit here and just stir it. And you're gonna stir it until it comes to a simmer, and then we're just gonna let it cook. But until then, we're just gonna stir it. And supposedly the reason you wanna stir it, because if you ever cooked with milk before, you know that it can separate. So we don't want that to happen here. So that's why we're just gonna keep stirring this. I'm gonna sit here for a minute and stir it. Actually, while we do stir, this is a good time to tell you guys why I'm making this again. Like I said, I do have a friend who is from Jordan. Coming over to hang out today, and I decided to surprise him by making this because he said this was his favorite dish. And I believe, doing a little bit of research into it, it's like one of their most famous dishes. It's kind of like jollof in Nigeria, you know. everybody knows jollof, but I'm guessing this is what everybody knows. I don't know for sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah. Alrighty, so I've been standing here for about, it feels like forever, and it is just now starting to boil or simmer. As you can see, where are the bubbles? There's one forming right there. Oh, there's some right there. Alright, so once that happens, you're going to reduce the heat to medium low, and you're going to just let this sit for about however long it takes to get the meat nice and tender. So the dude at the store told me to add this Mansaf spices to this as well. And I did some research. The main ingredient that you want in there is that yellow sweet clover. But as you can see, there's other stuff in here. Turmeric, fenugreek, can't speak. Turmeric, fenugreek, ginger, nutmeg, and chamomile. Yeah, we're just gonna add some of that in there. As you saw, there's no salt or anything like that. So, because like I said before, the Jameed has all the salt. Alrighty, while the main milk concoction is cooking, we're gonna roast some pine nuts. So we're gonna add some ghee, a good amount, into a hot skillet, and then we're gonna melt it down and then put it on probably like medium heat. And then I'm gonna add some pine nuts. This is about half a cup. Tossing that ghee. When the pine nuts start turning golden brown, we're going to take them off the heat. In the cooking vessel of your choice, we're going to take some more ghee. We're going to take a nice helping of that. Add that to a pan over medium heat. And now we're going to toast some jasmine rice. While that is toasting, we're going to add some of these Mansaf spices to it. After the rice is toasted a little bit, we're going to add some water. And cook it like you would regular rice. Yo, what's good?
How you doing?
I'm good. How about yourself?
Good to see you.
Oh.
What's cooking today, Cheeto? Yeah.
So I don't know if you smell it. Do you smell it? Does it smell familiar?
It does smell very familiar. What is this?
What does it smell like?
It smells like Mansaf. Are we cooking Mansaf today, Cheeto? Are we cooking Mansaf today?
Yes, sir.
Oh shit. Okay. I got it.
Yeah.
Where did you get the Jameed? Where did you get the Jameed?
I have my ways, sir.
You actually, what the fuck, Cheeto? It smells good, not gonna lie. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When it's done, it should look like this. As you can see, it has reduced by quite a bit. And then there's some, I believe the fat on top is from the lamb. So after that, we're ready to eat. Let's munch. So traditionally, you're supposed to serve this on a big platter. Unfortunately, I don't have that, so I'm just using some flat plates. But this right here is Markook Bread, I believe I'm pronouncing that right. Then we're gonna take some of that sauce, put it on the bottom. Then we're going to take our rice, add a good helping on top. Then we go back in with our luscious sauce and meat. Then we're gonna go in with our roasted pine nuts. And lastly, we're going a little bit of fresh chopped parsley to make it green and healthy. And there we have it. This is my version of Mansaf. Hopefully I did the dish justice. And we're about to find out right now, because it's much time. So that's what I did. I'm so glad the sauce did not break. That was my one worry. Alright, it's much time. Please be honest and let me know what you think.
You gotta pick the balls too.
Make the ball, alright.
Some lime.
Ooh, that lime's dinner. Alright. Don't burn your fingers.
I'm burning. I can't do this. I'm not good at this.
No, you're all good. You're good. You're all good. That's all good. All right. Try this one. Say this one.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
That's hot too. That's hot as fuck. That's pretty good, man. Okay.
That's good.
That is Chidolicious.
Hey. That's good. That's good.
It is good. It's Chidolicious.
It's a very unique taste to it. I love it. You don't like the bread?
No.
Oh.
You just get some of the bread with the rice.
Oh, yeah. All right. If If you like the video, make sure you like the video. Comment, subscribe. Until next time. YouTube.
Habibi approved.